Hi everybody, this is the first fit install video for the Vira screen 600 and 1200. It's also suitable for any made-to-measure screen we might make for you. So you'll receive everything in your cardboard tube. Simply need to unpack the contents. The only difference in the contents in this is we have both ceiling fittings. You will only receive one, depending on your actual ceiling type. But you'll get 2 wires, your PVC screen, your ceiling choice fitting, instructions, your PVC screen, and the top and bottom banners. The top banner is the one that has the hanging fixing on it. The bottom banner doesn't have a hanging fixing on it. Fit your top bar first. And you want to go slightly over the rubber band. Make sure the screen fits square and clamp down. Repeat the process for the bottom bar. You do need to put some pressure on them, they are tensioned. Cross over the black rubber band. Ensure the PVC is fitted within the actual clamp and clamp down. Move on to your wires. You have a 2-meter loop end cable. Quite simply, you need to feed one end through the top of the banner bar, through the loop, to create the fixing. Repeat on the other end. Then you need to fit your fixing to the ceiling. So we're not showing you how to fix this into the ceiling, we'll just do a demonstration. Quite simply, this is a suspended ceiling fitting. It twists on to your 1-inch grids. And you need to feed the wire through the end of the fixing. Pull through to desired height. And this is your adjustable pin. So if you put pressure on the pin, you can pull the wire back out, pull it back through. Quite simply, once the wire's in, twist it onto your grid. And once you've got it square and hanging straight, you trim off with wire cutters if required. The other fitting is the screw type fitting. In this you get a screw, a barrel and a raw plug. You'll be fitting the raw plug into your ceiling, and then you'll need to fit your pin through to the top of the barrel. Your screw is fitted. Then you want to feed the wire through the adjustable pin, always going through the adjustable end. That does adjust. And then you want to put the barrel onto the pin. You'll see there's a side part to the barrel that simply slots over the wire. And then you screw in so the cylinder is fitted. Can be a little bit tricky. Make sure your screw isn't in the way of the system. That's your wire then fitted in. You will then simply screw up into where you've previously drilled the raw plug, and that's a ceiling fix with a screw. If you then need to adjust it, you simply push the adjustable pin, pull out the wire to the desired height, shorten if required, and once it's fitted and you're happy that it's hanging straight, simply chop the top with the wire cutters. The screen will then be simply hung in situ. You can see right through the PVC, crystal clear, and creates an excellent sneeze screen.